Ultrasonic Cleaning Machine for the Apple bencher. Let's check if it may working. Electric cabinet. Okay, so let's check the main running. First is going to the ultrasonic. Dipping in the cabinet. Now we testing by the water. Here is the airplane. Then go into the spring water. See. Up and down the spring water for pressure water. Okay. Then go into the cold air blower. Okay, after arriving, the positioning sensor alarm is working, and it will notice the worker to pick up the finished product. And after removing, it will start working again, the transmission system. Okay, that's all.